Inkulubaphathiswa yaseRhawutini uPanyaza Lesufi uvule ngokusesikweni isikolo samabanga aphakamileyo esitsha Gqathatha se-Rustenburg eVereeniging namhlanje, elichaza elinyathelo njengesiqalo sohambo olutsha kunye nekamva eliqaqambileyo kubafundi bakula mmandla. Kanti ke okaLesufi wongeza ngelithi esisikolo sitsha sibonisa ukuphucula okukhulu kweziseko zephondo kunye nenkqubo yephondo laseRhawutini.
Umphakathi wase-Rustenburg eVereeniging ubungaze ukuvulwa kwesikole esisha samabanga aphezulu kule ndawo. Undunankulu wakulesi sifundazwe eGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi ngokubambisana nongqongqoshe wezemfundo Matome Chiulwane kanye nongqongqoshe wezokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu Jacob Mabobolo bebekule ndawo ngoLwesithathu la bevule khona ngokusemthethweni njengengxenye yomkhankaso wabo wokubuyela esikoleni. Undunankulu enaba kabanzi ngenhloso nqangi yokuvulwa kwezikole ezintsha eindaweni zasemakhaya unabe kanje.
We want to build schools of the future. Schools without chalkboard, schools without duster, without chalk, schools with Wi-Fi, because I get irritated in this time and era, especially in Gauteng. We have a school without water. It should be given. Water should be. So it must be about the content of the curriculum. It must be about the quality of the teachers we have. It must be the quality of education we want to follow in Gauteng. But if you are dragged behind of informal schools, you are dragged because we don't have water, we don't have electricity. It irritates me, I must be honest, because so we wanted to showcase this, to say, see what we can build. This is almost 100 million in a community that never had a brick and mortar or a new infrastructure in the last 59 years or so. So we are happy that you came to witness this beauty. As MEC Mamabolo said, we hope the school will maintain it, because you don't build such beautiful infrastructure and then destroy it because the community is unhappy with a council or something.
Ukwakhiwa kwalesi sikole okuyi-Rustenburg Secondary School kwaqala ngonyaka ka-2017 kodwa kwakhungethwa ukubambezeleka ngenxa yezinkinga zosonkontileka okugcine kuphothulwa ngasekupheleni kuka-2025. Ukwakhiwa kwalesi sikole kulethe enkulu injabulo emphakathini njengoba abazali bezwakalise izimvo zabo bebonga benconcoza kuMnyango Wezemfundo bathi selokhu balinda iminyaka eyisishiyagalolunye. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngiseVereeniging.